Can you not hear that? That woman could sleep through a hurricane. Can you believe that stupid bird? Tell me.
Hey!
Shoo! Get out of here! Come on, beat it! Go find somewhere else to peck.
Go find somewhere else to sleep. Around here, I'm at the top of the pecking order.
I said beat it!
He makes the catch, and the crowd goes wild! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Give me that back, right now!
Good day, Mr. Walters. Ready to break ground?
I sure am, George. Remember, I want this house on the market by fall, so it needs to be done quickly.
Well, for enough money, anything can be done quickly. Even out here in the sticks.
Well, that is good to hear, because according to my schedule, you're already 20 minutes behind.
Your schedule.
Oh, I am hands-on, George. I'm gonna ride your crew.
Super! I love that.
And by the study fireplace, I was thinking twin zebra sheepskin chairs. The organized contrast to the crested butte cigar leather sofas. And, of course, the 30-light elk antler chandelier will tie it all together. And I want it all done in 8 weeks.
That's really not enough
Money
time.
is no object.
Consider it done.
Thank you. Lance, honey, I've decided on volcanic stone for the kitchen counters.
Great. Baby, aren't those the most expensive counters in the world?
Well, duh. The best usually is. Let me see.
Okay.
That's so exciting. Okay.
Hey, Tommy.
Now.
You want to watch the excavation?
Let me think about it. No.
Okay, I'll take that no as a no.
Can a bird catch some Z's around here? Huh? Hey, what's the big idea? Wait a minute. They're not camping. They're moving in. No. This is my forest. Time for an eviction notice. Hey, yeah, you! Get off my lawn! Punk!
Oh!
Knock, knock! Who's there? P who? P-E-U!
Somebody get that bird!
Let's see who's next, shall we? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo!
Baby.
Box away! The bird! No. How's that for an eviction notice?
No!
The good thing about a high-fiber diet, it keeps you regular. Whoa! That'll buff right out.
Baby.
Don't you baby me! Tu vais c'est toi de vivre ce lugar. Eu quero um hotel, você fica lá agora.
Well, the bad news is you're encroaching on the habitat of a very territorial bird.
No kidding.
Well, don't worry about the window. We'll just add that to the bill.
Would you keep it down out here? Well, see? That's much better. Tommy, open the door. Tommy.
you planning on buying it? Or just tuning it to death?
Sorry, I was just browsing.
Don't sweat it. Play away. I'm Jill.
I'm Tommy.
Are you visiting?
Yeah, my dad's building this house by the river.
Oh, man. That mega mansion everyone's talking about?
Yeah, that would be it.
So you interested in it?
This is a really sweet guitar.
I helped restore it. The guy who sold it to us was a roadie for Springsteen. Who knows? Springsteen himself may have played it.
Or at least breathed near it.
You're not bad. Not bad at all.
Thanks. I've been taking lessons for a couple years. But I left my guitar at home, so.
I can make you a really sweet deal on that guitar if you like.
My dad is the one with the coin. I'm pretty much broke.
Maybe we can work something out. My friend Lyle and I have a band. He plays the drums, I play bass, but...
You need a guitarist.
Yeah. The town's annual Firefly Festival's at the end of the month. We really want to play there. If you help us out, I'll lend you that guitar for free for the whole summer. You interested?
Yeah, totally.
Hey! This is our road, and we didn't give you permission to use it.
Actually, this is a public road built with government funds and it belongs to everyone. So technically you are correct. It is yours, but it's also mine.
Hey, you don't get off that easy.
Look, I don't know what I did to offend you guys, but whatever it is, I'll stop.
Of course you will. You'll be too busy crying.
Seriously, doesn't your school have an anti-bullying policy?
Sure does. That's exactly why we got kicked out. Right, John? High five.
Oh, look, a guitar. Give that back.
What was that?
Whatever it was, it clawed me.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Woody!
Now, as for you two, where were we? Get ready to go commando.
This motorcycle!
Woody, that was awesome! You went all MMA on him.
Nobody messes with my BFF. And by that, I mean bring her a free food. See ya.